Alright guys, thanks for tuning into CMTEQ channel. This is yet another power system tutorial on short circuit analysis. Now I'm not going into this tutorial as yet, but I'm posting it in advance so that you guys can have an opportunity to maybe attempt to solve it and basically see what's coming up. And if you are able to attempt it, that actually gives you an opportunity to test your power system short circuit analysis skills and be able to arrive at the correct answer. So basically what we have here is a tie bar system connection. So the arrangement is that we got the three generators that are connected basically in parallel, but in between the generators we have reactors that are connected in between. Now, in case of a short circuit, generator A is the one that will be able to supply a large short circuit current into the fault. However, generator B and C won't be able to supply a short circuit current directly into the fault. The current must first go through the reactors. So what that creates is you have a reduction in short circuit current going into the fault. So that's basically one advantage of having this tie bar connection system when you have the reactors basically limiting the short circuit current going into the fault. There is more advantage into the system, and obviously there are disadvantages as well for having such a system. But here we're not going into too much of the details of the theory of the system, but into the practicality of solving this problem. So we have the question that is to calculate the short circuit power. So that is a short circuit power that will be present at this point, and also calculate the current that will be distributed by each one of these generators going into the fault. So that is the problem to solve here, guys, and if you are able to attempt it, that is a very good thing. And until next time, stay tuned for the upcoming day or two before this tutorial is posted with a complete solution. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.